In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add detail and texture in Lightroom Classic. Whether you're enhancing the rugged surfaces of stone and wood or smoothing out skin tones, understanding how and where to make adjustments can significantly elevate the quality of your images. Let's dive into the Discover module. Once your photograph is loaded, begin by zooming in to 100%. This is crucial because these adjustments, focusing on detail and texture, can be subtle and easily overlooked without a closer look. By zooming in, you can clearly see how the modifications impact your image's details and textures. Now, the adjustments we'll primarily be dealing with are found in the Presents section if you're using a recent version of Lightroom Classic. However, if you have an older version, don't worry. Just look for the Effects panel to access similar controls. We'll be spending our time with the Texture slider, Clarity slider, and the Sharpening or Detail panel. Each of these tools offers distinct functionalities that work in harmony to enhance your photograph. Starting with the Texture slider, this tool is fantastic for medium-sized details. If you push it to the right, you'll notice an enhancement in the texture of surfaces like wood grain, stone, or even foliage and hair. This change can bring out a richness in detail that makes your subject stand out. If the detail seems too pronounced or detracts from the subject, you can move the slider to the left. This will reduce or soften textures, which is particularly useful for portrait work or scenarios where you want to smooth out skin or simplify distracting backgrounds. Next, we have the Clarity slider. This one is all about increasing contrast around edges, really honing in on broad mid-tone details. By adjusting the Clarity slider, you're not just affecting local contrast, but also enhancing the perception of depth and definition in your image. It's perfect for adding a bit more dimension and punch to your photograph. Lastly, let's focus on the Sharpening or Detail panel. This panel allows you to really dive into the fine details, working especially well for high-frequency detail found in edges or when preparing images for printouts. Unlike the Texture and Clarity sliders, sharpening is more about bringing out very fine lines and detail, and it's most effective when used with a subtle touch to maintain a natural look. Each of these adjustments plays a specific role in detailing your image, and it's important to experiment with them in combination to find the right balance for your specific photograph. Remember, the key is to enhance what's already there, bringing out the best of your work without overdoing it. With practice, you'll master the art of detail and texture in your photography projects. Thanks for watching.